Hey guys, welcome back to OBTOYS. So today I'm going to be showing you guys my custom hybrid using this Mattel Indominus Rex. We're going to be adding some Spinosaurus parts as well as some claws from a Therizinosaurus. If this is the first time you're visiting my channel, I love working with Blacklight and glow-in-the-dark paints, so make sure you stick around to see what happens when I turn out the lights. And I gotta say guys, this one turned out pretty darn cool. Alright guys, I'm gonna sit back and let you watch my process and I'll check back with you in a bit. If you guys are enjoying the video so far, be sure to smash that like button for me right now. And if you're not subscribed yet to the channel, make sure you go ahead and hit that subscribe button and follow along in the fun. Alright guys, I have a lot of little details to add to this thing yet, but I'm not going to make you wait around much longer. I'm going to go ahead and skip to the final results. But before we do, we always got to go back to where we started. And here we go. So what do you guys think of this thing? Do you like it? Let me know down in the comments below. Also, if you guys can come up with a name for this thing using those 3 different dinosaurs, I'd love to hear it. Put it down in the comments. You guys always come up with some great suggestions. Alright guys, about to turn off the lights here and show you what this thing looks like glowing in the dark. But before we do, I got a few announcements about my online toy store. We added some holiday items there, so you can check out those. We have some OBTOYS holiday ornaments for your Christmas tree. Also, for the first time, I have put on probably about 15 of my customs on the website for sale. So about half of them I've already sold this past week. So if you want a chance to get a custom for your very own, check that out. All right, guys, here we go. I have over 160 customs on the channel, so if you haven't seen them, be sure to check out the playlist above. Well guys, that brings us to the end of another video. I hope you enjoyed it as much as I did putting it together for you. Also, if you guys want to help me out with the channel here, liking each video and also sharing it to a friend really helps the algorithm for the channel, so be sure to do that. Also, we have Teespring, which has all sorts of merchandise for you guys to be able to buy. If you want to help support the channel, that's a great way for you to do it. Also, a special thanks to all my OBTOYS members. Really appreciate all the support you guys have been giving the channel. If you want to become a member, click on the link above. Alright guys, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And until next time, OBTOYS out.